Nice to see you again.
We haven't vlogged in, can't even think how many days, probably 2 or 3. But we're going to vlog today because we're going to go on a city tour.
Woo! And it's 23 degrees and I don't think it's raining, so I think...
Apparently it's 23 degrees. It does not feel like 23 degrees. But yeah, we're going on a city walking tour and Jack is going to get his hair dreaded. So I'll show you, oh god, that sounds horrid. I'll show you his hair now, and then when we see him later, he'll have his hair dreaded. So, this is the before.
Gross.
But yeah, we'll take you along with our day for the first time in a couple of days, so yeah.
But I still also want a huge, big
Funeral.
grave. No, I don't want a funeral, I want a party.
Okay, fair enough.
It's going to be like,
It's
going to be a rave.
Okay. Well, we're on the walking tour and we're all having the time of our lives. I think I've looked at the time like 4 times. It's interesting. I'm happy. I'm like know where we're going now or what we're looking at. But yeah, it's a lot of chatting.
A lot of information.
Yeah, a lot of talking. But yeah. So we've just gone to the cemetery and it's where all the like rich people are buried and people of like whatever. And when they said it was going to be all these huge mausoleums, I didn't really believe them, but it's like a whole village of mausoleums. They're huge. Can you imagine being buried in one of these?
It's like a little house that's never going to be touched.
Do you think maybe all their ghosts have like, this is probably just like a village?
It is.
They
So
probably
strange.
all come out at night. Have dinner parties.
Dr. Jesus P. Martinez.
It's very small. I mean, I know he's like this, but
Like, that's crazy. That's a full house. This is mad. This is one of the weirdest things ever.
I'm glad we came here.
Yeah.
This is sick.
Gosh, look at that one. That's huge. It's a felony to walk inside one of these if the door is open because it's private property as well. Not that you'd want to walk inside one of these. Some of them are so old. Look at that one. That's crazy. Freaky. This is one of the weirdest places ever. It's like a full village of just graves. What does it look like? Go into the light. I can't see.
It look like you've been exercising or you just very well. What?
Come out here, I want to see. Yeah, come out here. Oh, it looks cool.
But because it's like fresh, when I take it out,
Yeah.
it literally
like...
it's just sticking up everywhere at the moment.
I want to see. You didn't get it shaved in the end?
Nah.
No, I didn't want to or didn't ask.
I know, I asked and he said it would be like a lot more maintenance if I did that.
Really?
Yeah.
Take it out, I want to see it.
No, not yet.
Do you like it though? Let me see. God, they feel weird, eh?
Yeah.
Are you happy? How much was it in the end?
2,500.
Oh, that's not bad.
It's like 8 quid or something like that.
Nice. Cool. We're back from the walking tour. We had a quick sandwich from the Latino sandwich shop, and then we just came back and chilled, and I got some videos up that I haven't uploaded for a day.
Booked flights to Mendoza tomorrow.
I'm excited.
6.
Just because we were going to stay longer in Buenos because they have this asado thing, which is like an all-you-can-eat steak night here on Wednesday, but they're not doing it here this week. They're going to do it later on, so there's no really any point in us staying. Buenos is nice, but I think it would have been a lot nicer if it was good weather. Otherwise, at the moment, all we're doing is just chilling in the hostel all day and just going out at night. And we, you know,
we're going out tonight. We're going to a drum concert thing.
That should be good.
So
and then apparently there's like a street party thing. Jack got his hair dreaded earlier, which you saw as well. I'll try and get a better picture of it or something. But yeah, if we don't record at the drum thing,
we'll record at some point.
This is our day.
Okay.